summertime. Kheer is feeling very hot. He's always near the fridge, as you can see. So this is what I have done to relieve him. I've put a pan in the freezer. I don't use this for cooking. I've put it in the freezer to make it cold. And now he can sit on this. And I think he'll not feel as hot as he generally does. Since the pan is cold, he will be relieved to sit on it. Let's see how he reacts. He found the pan and he likes the cold pan. I think he's enjoying it. He is now sitting on the pan. He's getting the cool temperature of the pan. Since it's metal, it has become quite cold. And I think he is enjoying it quite a lot. He is enjoying the cold pan. He's sitting on it with the belly because he's always very hot near his belly area. What he generally does is he goes to the bathroom and he lies on the floor, especially when it's wet right after we have taken a bath. He prefers to go and lie on the bathroom floor because it's very hot and he prefers the cool bathroom floor. So that's not going to work for him anymore because being on the wet floor, it can give him skin allergies. I don't want that. So this is the alternative way that I've created a homemade AC.